Hello folks, it's David Connolly here, the web developer extraordinaire, and I'm about to start what will be my last live stream on this channel. However, I do have another channel and I'm going to be live streaming from there in the future. There's Jake, by the way. Hello Jake. He made an incredible thing for TronGate with Simon, the godfather of speed coding. Anyway, the live streaming's awesome, but I'm going to be switching to youtube.com/TronGate. It's a channel that I set up for the TronGate framework. All of these videos are out of date. I'm probably not going to be doing much with it, but I am going to use it for live streaming. And my plan is to use this channel, the one that we all know and love. I'm just going to use this channel for tutorials and babbling away, you know. So if you're interested in the live streams and all of that, it's going to be at youtube.com/TronGate starting from tomorrow. Today is my last live stream here, and I do hope you'll join me. Thanks very much, and stay cool.